Don't download Smartsheet Enterprise Work Automation app before watching this. Before you download Smartsheet Enterprise Work Automation, here's what most teams miss: it's more than a spreadsheet tool. At the enterprise level, Smartsheet enables automated workflows, portfolio management, and advanced reporting, but many businesses get this wrong by skipping setup planning. Step 1. Map your workflows. Smartsheet's strength lies in connecting processes across departments. Most people get this wrong by creating standalone sheets, which leads to inefficiency. Step 2. Set up automation rules. Automate notifications, approvals, and task assignments. Surprising truth is, poorly configured automations can slow work instead of accelerating it. Step 3. Integrate with other platforms. Connect Smartsheet to CRM, email, and analytics tools for a full view of operations. Without integration, data remains scattered and decisions are delayed. Step 4. Train your team. Enterprise adoption depends on understanding dashboards, reports, and automated processes. Teams that skip training underutilize the platform, reducing ROI. The upside: properly implemented Smartsheet Enterprise can increase workflow efficiency by up to 40%, reduce errors, and centralize data for better decision making. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can map processes, implement automations thoughtfully, and train users effectively. For smaller teams, simpler task or project tools may be sufficient. Subscribe for expert tips to avoid common enterprise automation pitfalls.